friends, and welcome back to Art by Alisha. I am Alisha and I do all the kind of artworks. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to see something related to art, DIYs and crazy artworks, kindly subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button down right here. This is my second video, guys, and in my first video, the previous one, a lot of you people have commented and gave your opinion that it wasn't a detailed one. So I have got another DIY video for you people and it is a very detailed one. So I hope you like it. And if you like it, kindly let me know, comment down below. In this video I am doing a makeover for a Godrej Almirah, and I hope a lot of you guys can understand what a Godrej Almirah is. And this is my mom's very favorite Almirah and I wanted to give it a makeover because it wasn't in a great condition and be shifted to our new house. So I have done a pretty decent job. Kindly do not judge because it was my first time. And I hope you guys like it. If you like it, you can also try something crazy on your Godrej Almirah and like graffiti or something like that. And I hope you do some crazy artwork in the lockdown, because what else we can do. And I hope you like it. And if you like it, please guys, like and tell me in the comment section below. That would mean a lot to me and I would be really thankful for you guys. So let's get the video started.
I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts are so enough, can't seem to judge, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine,
Turpentine?
but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Ooh.
You have me time.
Now you're out of time. You'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Oh, now you're out of time.
As you can see, we have done two coat of primer, and this is what it looks like. Right now we are again pasting the papers so that we can do the sides of the Almirah. And also now we're gonna start off with the spray paint. So we have done some some a little bit of swatch tests, and this is what the texture looks like, and I'm really happy with the texture. And this is what we have been trying. I'm screwing things up. Okay, so whenever you're trying something, just try what your capabilities are and what you can do. Just don't go on YouTube and see a lot of crazy stuff and start doing statically on the Almirah, because then you're gonna screw it. It's just the way I wanted to do it, but then I thought of testing it first, and this is what it looks like after 2 coats of primer. Yeah, this is what it looks like. We tried to give a little bit of texture through primer, as you can see here. This is what it looks like. And let's see how it turns out to be. This is my first time ever doing this, guys.
You're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts are so relaxed, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos
quick update, and I just broke my nail and it hurts. I'm crying. Girls can agree to my pain right now.